Hi. Well, today is Sunday, so I just wanted to start this whole session with a bit of breathing exercise to just make sure that we come back to this environment where we study, where we learn something new, something related to a topic which we both are excited about, English and communication. Well, to communicate our thoughts, our understandings, our perspectives, it's very important that we have a sense of, calm, a sense of mutuality of each other and in an interaction. I guess it's very important to start a conversation, especially the one where the stakes are very high. For example, if you are in a corporate meeting or if you're meeting with someone who is senior to you, or the interaction is happening in an interview, I think it's very important to have a sense of belief, a sense of calmness, a sense of like you are there. Your presence is there. You're not scattered. Your thoughts are not scattered. You're very much involved in this interaction and you're very much focused to the being you're talking to. So that's why I think Sunday is all about relaxation and all about, getting back to the things which we've been thinking throughout the week. And now you've got enough time to, ponder on it, just make sure the list is right for the next week or for the coming week. So the way we just make sure that we start something from a level where, our mind is comfortable with our own self, if it's making sense. We want to be comfortable with ourselves, because we are interacting with ourselves on a daily basis. So it's very important for us to have a connection, a relationship, a bonding with the self also, because this self matters. And the way you take care of it and the way you respect it, the way you nurture it, I think that will help you understand the relationship with the other. I think that